Hi everyone, this is Ashik Dhyani. Welcome to InfosecTrain, and today we are going to discuss about Active Directory forest. So we all have heard about Amazon rainforest. That's the biggest rainforest in the world. Now in that rainforest there are multiple tribes living there. Let's say more than 400 tribes are living there. There are multiple animal species. There are reptiles, mammals. So we can characterize them on the basis of their working. Now the tribes that are living there, those tribes, they have their own language, they have their own culture, so we can group them on the basis of their characteristics. Now in the same way we can understand the Active Directory forest also. It's the whole Active Directory instance which contains multiple domains and domain trees. Now all those domains and domain trees, they are the part of the forest, so they are consuming the resources of the forest. That means they are having the same schema, they are following the same characteristics as the forest. So whenever you create the first domain in the Active Directory, that first domain will also create a forest, and that's how you define the forest in the Active Directories. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.